Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So inside this video I have some important news about Vigor Coin, some important news about the distribution, about the withdrawal of VTC coin, because 1st June 2024 we will see the listing of VTC, we will see the listing of Vigor Coin inside their own exchange. So before listing we need to withdraw all our tokens from the VTC network, VTC mining application. So for that, what requirements we need to do in order to get our withdrawals, because there are some requirements for that if you want to withdraw your all 100% tokens. So what things you need to do before withdrawing, so the whole thing I will cover inside this video. This is one of the important news about the Vigor Coin. Make sure to check this video till then. I will tell all the requirements in order to withdraw your coins from the Vigor mining application to the exchange. Okay, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about mining application, Vigor Coin, even about cap swap, time coin, pre-sale project, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So of course guys, in here you can see I'm in Qatar airport, just traveling to Australia. So because of that the internet is very slow and I cannot show you the VTC network mining application. Just sorry for that. As you can see in here, this is the VTC network. Because of the internet issue the application is not opening in here, but I will tell you the latest update. Let me show you in here. Wait a minute. This is, you can see. Okay, the first update is all about the withdrawal of Vigor Coin. So VTC network application withdrawal alert. So good news for VTC mining users, you can withdraw all your mined VTC from the VTC network application before listing by following these steps. It means that you can withdraw all your 100% coins from the VTC mining application before the listing. So there are some requirements, check in here. So the first thing is set your VTC address in the application. Make sure to use VTC address inside your application in order to withdraw your token, same like previous time. So the second one is participate in the pre-sale with a minimum of $10 VTC to the same address. It means that this is the requirement. You need to purchase $10 Vigor Coin from the pre-sale website with the same wallet address, with the same wallet. Like for example, you're using your MetaMask wallet inside the application in order to get your coin. So with the same wallet, with the same MetaMask wallet, you need to participate in the pre-sale. Make sure to purchase $10 Vigor Coin, otherwise you will not get your token. Otherwise you cannot withdraw your 100% coins from the mining application. This is the requirement. You can see going to this website presale.vigorchain.org. so simply go to this website, connect your same wallet, and then make sure purchase Vigor Coin. The minimum amount is $10. So it means that you need to purchase about $11, $50, $20, even $100 in order to withdraw all your mining coin. The listing price is $12, so $10 is nothing. Make sure to just purchase the token in order to get all your tokens, otherwise you will not get your coin. So the third one is wait for the updated APK version 1.1.3 to withdraw your mining balance. So in the future we will get the new version of VTC network mining application. Make sure to update it in order to withdraw your token. But before that you can just purchase, you can participate in the pre-sale in order to be eligible for the withdrawal for the distribution. So note, VTC will list in VTC with USD Spot trade on Vigor exchange on June 1st 2024. Any remaining mining balance not withdrawn by the pre-sale condition will be burned after listing. It means that if you don't purchase the coin from the pre-sale, so your all token will be transferred to the burned wallet. It means that you will not get your coins, so the coins will be transferred to the burned wallet. That's why you need to participate in the pre-sale. You need to purchase the coin at least $10, otherwise your coin will be transferred to the burned wallet. This is the latest news. What is your thought about this? Let me know in comment section. Somehow I can say this is a good point. Developers are just very sharp about this. They want everyone to participate in the pre-sale. They want everyone to invest in here in order to get their distribution. So let me know what's your thought about this. So the second update is about AI Jupiter with Vigor exchange. So finally airdrop distribution is coming. Distributed amount 20 million. Every participant got reward 30,321. This is about the giveaway I told you a few days ago. So further we have about let me show in here. So Vigor Coin listing alert: all VTC wallet holders will able to deposit, withdraw and trade VTC with USD in June 1st 2024. So don't deposit now. If you deposit VTC now, you will lose it. Wait for final announcement. So for now, do not deposit your coin. Just wait for listing date. After that you can deposit your coin. So the listing price is $12. Of course we will see a huge pump and then we will see a huge dump to the downside. Make sure to book your profit. So although you can see in here who are purchasing Vigor Coin VTC by pre-sale into wallet, they will able to deposit 100% amount of VTC in Vigor exchange. It means that they are eligible to withdraw 100% of their coin to the exchange. Fund wallet listed Vigor Coin a short time later. We will announce it in next updates. So pre-sale with low price before finish. So pre-sale price is 0.15 cent. You can see listing price is $12. So that's why make sure to check about the Vigor Coin. If you mind Vigor Coin, so now you need to participate in the pre-sale. You need to purchase the coin at least $10 from the pre-sale website in order to be eligible for the distribution. For the withdrawal, make sure to purchase the pre-sale. Otherwise your coin will be transferred to the burned wallet. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Just share your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. So this is all about the Vigor Coin. Smash the like button to an all-time high. If still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.